What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new update on Shiba Inu, which we had to update because we've had some great news about Shiba Inu. After this I'm also covering the Bone token, or the Bone coin we should actually say, because it's the main utility token of the Shiba Inu layer 2. But yeah, I wanted to talk about Shiba, and to be honest, I mean, the price action has been weird, and I think most of you agree with me on that. So we'll talk a little bit about the fundamentals, but then we'll take a look at the technicals. It's because technically we're doing some very weird things with Shiba, and I wanted to talk about that, and I think you want to hear about that as well. So we'll do that. If you want to receive daily trading signals, though, something else before we get into it, check out the links down in the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find out on how to join my signal trading group. And you'll also find results if you want to see those. You can also always ask around in the Telegram group what other members think. Transparency is key, I think. But now let's talk about Shiba. So big news is this. Attention Shiba Army. We're thrilled to announce that Shiba Inu public beta will be launching this week. So yeah, their beta launching next week. It wouldn't surprise me if it's a little bit later than this week. But alright, that's just, it doesn't matter that much. But the interesting part is that we are not that bullish because of it. When it was announced, I mean, this was 11 hours ago. When it was announced, we actually had quite a big bullish candle. But after that, we dropped down. There's this major resistance level where we've also found resistance around 1100. But what you think would happen is that we would break above that and then continue rallying. But what we did afterwards is a lot of people sold immediately again. I mean, right now you can also see that the volume is absolutely huge. It's coming from credible sources, so it's not really manipulated. It's really because of the news. But yeah, the Shib token itself is not that strong. So what I think is going to happen right now, just purely knowing the fundamentals, because usually to give some sort of a story with the fundamentals, usually when something is announced, you get pretty bullish and you get some sort of a rally, especially with something big like Shiba Inu. And then when it actually gets launched, then it drops. It's kind of buy the rumor, sell the news. So right now is really the time for Shiba. Oh, excuse me. So right now is really the time for Shiba to rally. Can we still do that? Yes, but we need to prove that on the technical side. Right now, I think we're moving back up to that 1100 level. What we need to do is we need to break above that and take a break retest. Like we also broke above that last night, but we did not take that break retest. We need to take that break retest. If we can do that, I think we can still rally up to like 1160 and 1180. That's my first price target, and from there we'll see again. Perhaps we could rally higher. It's in the end, Shiba has an amazing community, but I just need to see how it goes. Because on the other hand, it doesn't necessarily have to be that we get a rally. The fundamentals in the market right now are far from great. And apart from that, we rallied quite a bit at the beginning of February already, for example. So maybe the capital and the momentum is just exhausted. Because on the other hand, if we just do not break above 1100 in the next 24 hours, it's unlikely that we'll do it. And then it's more likely that we'll just continue our technical downtrend, which we've been in since like the 20th of February, down to that 1000 level. Great support level, by the way, but obviously we're not waiting for this. We would much rather have something like this. So I think we're heading up to that 1100 level, and what's going to happen next with Shiba really is going to depend, in my opinion, on what we do at that level. Will we find resistance or will we break above that? So I'll monitor that closely, of course. I think right now, because Shiba has an amazing community still, I think this is the most likely scenario. But as I said, I'll monitor it closely. I'll keep you up to date. And yeah, that was it for today. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.